Maddie, please don't leave me. I need you in my life. You have no idea. I need you so much. Please, baby. Please, I will change. I swear to you, I swear to God, I will change. I swear to God, I will change. Please, please come back in my life. I swear to God, I will change, baby. Please give me another chance. I don't want to live without you, I swear to God. I swear I don't want to live without you. Please, baby. Please, I ask you so much. Please, I ask you. I can't have a complete life without you. I'm sorry for all what I've done. I'm sorry for all what I've done, babe. I'm sorry for all what I have done, but you have to give me another chance. Please. Please, babe, I'm crying out to you. Please. Give me another chance, please. I will not mess up. I swear I will not mess up. I will not mess up. Please, you just have to come back to me. I cannot live without you. I want to marry you, Maria. You're all I love. You're all I ever loved. I want to marry you. Please. Please stay with me, Maddie. Please stay with me. Please. I won't be the same, please. I won't be the same, Maddie. I swear to you. I won't be the same. I love you so much. You have no idea. Please come back to me. I beg of you, Maddie. I beg of you. I love you from my entire heart. I know what I know what I have to do now. I will just stop doing all the wrong that I have done. Please, 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 I'll show you. Come back to me. Come back to me, please.